Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are crocheting these cute little hearts. Let's get directly into the video. For this I am taking a scissor, a yarn and a crochet hook of 3.5 mm. All the required items details are mentioned in the description box below. Please check it out for your reference. First, let's get started with the magic ring. To make the magic ring, this is how you have to hold your yarn, as I am showing it in the video. Place your two fingers under the yarn, and this will be the position of this. Leave a little bit yarn tail at the end of your finger. Now make a cross with the working yarn side, and this is how it will look from the back, and from front it will be a cross. And I have also shown that how you have to hold the yarn. Now take your crochet hook and insert the hook. Pull the yarn from the back side and remove all your fingers from the loop. Yeah, that's it. Now take your working yarn, hold it onto the finger and hold the magic ring and make chain 1. This is the final magic ring, and also we did a chain 1 to lock the magic ring. We will chain another. This is your second chain. So now make 3 double crochet. For this you have to yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn. Here 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is your first double crochet. Second double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is your second double crochet. Third double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Here we are done with 3 double crochet. You can also tighten the magic ring by pulling the tail, as I am showing it in the video. Now we have to make 3 half double crochet. For this, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops together. See, this is how it will be done. This is your first half double crochet. For second one, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops together. Third one, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops together. This is your third half double crochet, and this is the half side of the heart. Now we have to repeat same pattern on the other side to complete the heart. First we will chain 1. This is how we will chain 1. Okay, and now we will start on the next part. Now we have to repeat the same process but in reverse order. That is, first make 3 half double crochet, then 3 double crochet, and then chain 2. So right now I'm making first half double crochet. Second one, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Second half double crochet done. Third one, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Here 3 half double crochet done. Now make 3 double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. First double crochet done. Second one, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Third double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Other half side of the heart is also done. Now just we have to chain 2 because we have at the starting we did chain 2, so here also at the end we will end with chain 2. How to end it? We will make a slip stitch, insert the hook into the magic ring, pull the yarn, 2 loops, pull the second loop through the first loop, and here is your magic ring done. Now just take out some yarn from the hook, this much is enough, and cut the yarn. Right now it is not looking like a heart, but it will look. You just have to tighten the tail as I am doing it in the video. See, this is the tail. You have to stretch it as much as you can, and it will take the shape of the heart. See, first of all we will cut this yarn. See, okay, cut it. Now pull out the remaining yarn, and now you just have to tighten both the tails as much as you can to secure it. We will also make a knot at the back side to secure both the ends of the heart. This is the final look. I have stretched the yarn as much as I can. Now we are tying the knots, and you can cut the remaining yarn. Here your final little heart is ready. How cute it looks. You can use it to decorate your space or to give some aesthetic Pinteresty vibes to your collection or to your space. That's all for today's video. If you like the tutorial, then please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Also give your suggestions in the comment box.